Grab a disposable face mask. With scissors, cut one of the elastic loops from the edge of the mask. Simple, right? Now, carefully make a small cut along the seam of one side of the mask. Next, use your hands to open up the mask, forming a small pouch. It's like creating a tiny bag. Super easy to do. Now grab a lemon. Using a knife, chop the lemon into small pieces. No need for perfection, just small chunks. Once you've got the pieces, place them inside the pouch you made with the mask. But we're not done yet. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda into the pouch. Trust me, this ingredient is the game changer. Once everything is inside, close the pouch by tying it with the elastic loop you cut at the beginning. Now head to your toilet tank. Carefully remove the tank lid and hang your little pouch inside, making sure it's submerged. Have you ever noticed that stubborn limescale buildup in your toilet tank? Or maybe you're tired of that musty smell that just won't go away, no matter how much you clean? We've all been there. This powerful natural solution tackles limescale, salt residue, and other grime that loves to build up in your toilet tank. Not only does it keep your tank sparkling clean, but it also leaves your bathroom smelling fresh and citrusy.